Today, we're going to dive into tips to build your own utility trailer. Hi, I'm Kiefer, and you're watching Quick Tips. Are you considering building your own utility trailer? Have you done a price comparison and figure out if building it yourself might save you money? If not, check out our last episode. You can also do this, and it provides benefits that you can't get from just buying any old utility trailer. When you've decided you want to build your own utility trailer, the right set of step-by-step trailer plans will go a very long way. We offer step-by-step trailer plans to make it very easy to build a utility trailer, along with many other types of trailers. Along with the right plans, a few good tips will go a very long way when building your new utility trailer. Here are a few tips to help make this project a bit easier. Consider the use of your trailer before you're building it. One of the biggest mistakes people make when building a utility trailer is not considering what they will be using it for. You may let your budget determine the trailer you build, only to find out it won't support the weight of what you need to haul. Before choosing the right set of trailer plans and the right trailer kit, make sure you know exactly what you'll be using it for. If you plan to haul something very heavy, you may need a trailer with stronger suspension and larger wheels. Choosing the right accessories. Along with choosing the right size trailer, you might also want to make sure that you get the right accessories. Trailer ramps make it easier to load and unload items with wheels, while the winch might be exactly what you need if you want to load something rather heavy onto your trailer. After this, decide how you'll build the trailer. Will you build your utility trailer from scratch, or will you use a trailer kit? No matter the method you plan to use, you'll need the right tools and materials. Take this time to consider how you'll build your utility trailer and make sure you have the right tools for your job. If you plan to build your utility trailer from scratch, you'll want the right set of utility trailer plans. Without the right plans, it will be rather difficult to figure out how to construct your trailer from scratch. One of the biggest mistakes seen in videos and tutorials online is the trailer frame being constructed using sawhorses. This type of support doesn't ensure the setup beams are parallel or flat. You want to ensure you have a flat surface while assembling the frame. While it may be easier to use sawhorses, it won't provide the same quality build as using a flat surface such as the garage floor. Building a utility trailer can be quite rewarding. You'll get the exact trailer you want, complete with the right accessories and the upgrades that you decide to make to it. Before you start building your new trailer, use these tips along with the right set of plans that we can provide for you. Link in the description below. They're engineer stamped, they're DOT approved, everything you'll need in one place. Also, start off with a utility trailer kit if you want to make things a bit easier. We offer both and would suggest people to use them. If you're seriously considering building your own utility trailer, watch this video here. It'll give you some things to consider before pulling the trigger on your project. That video. Go ahead and click it. Hey, we'll see you in the next one. God bless.